How you guys doing today? Today I'm replacing the vent lid on my truck camper. If you can see, it's cracked. So if it's not immutable, but know how to take it out, whatever. So there's a cover. You got the screen that goes up there. There's 2 screws right there, and then right there. Then you got to get the handle out. The screen will come out. And then you guys, before you take the screen out, you got to do these is 4 screws. You can see right there, and right there. There's 4 screws. The self-tapping screws. They're screwed into the framing here. And then you gotta take out. You gotta undo the gear mechanism. There's just 2 screws to hold that in. So I'm gonna go up there and go ahead and replace that, and I'll be right back. Alright, before I go up there, this is the lid hinge I have, this type. I thought I ordered the wrong one. Here's a new one. If you can see, there you go. I ordered the wrong one. Before all I seen was the hinges, metal hinges going across, so I ordered the wrong one. I got this on Amazon. Got here pretty quick. Got here in 2 days, I believe it was. So this is for the Jensen type. Model number is 40152. The pictures on the on Amazon not too good, so I believe here's the type, the different ones. Not really coming in. Different type of hinges that it has. So this is prior to 2008. This is 94, and this is 94. There's a couple different type ones. So this is a 01 coach, 01 real light. And then while I'm up there, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the antenna. Hopefully this worked. There's a couple different fittings that hopefully it works. If not, this one looks like there's an Allen key or something, and it'll make it work, I believe. Or there's this little guy that works, kind of, it's like it screws on there, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and try that, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I got the new lid up. Got the hinge all up, and everything fits good. It's tight fit with the hinges. And unfortunately, the antenna did not fit. I'm gonna have to grind this part down to make it work. The threads up there are more finer, I guess you want to call it, or more rougher, and these are more coarse. I don't know. I'm not good on threads, sorry. But these are really fine, if you can see. And the ones up there are really rough. So I'm gonna have to grind that down real quick and get an Allen key and see if that'll work. If not, I don't know. I didn't see none at the camping roll, and maybe the reason why it didn't work is this is for. I'm not cutting all this out to make it fit, but this is supposed to be for Chrysler, Ford, GM, and import cars. So I mean, that could be the reason why it didn't work, but I'll try to cut that down. And let's see. I'll put it back. I don't think I'm able to hold this and record at the same time. Alright, I'm back. So it was kind of hard to put it together with one hand. I don't have a GoPro or none of that good stuff. But here it is. Went ahead and put the fishing rods back up here where it's at. So this right here, I don't know what happened. I had to put it at an angle. I think someone missed it or stripped it out. But you don't need to torque these down too bad. I did use a screw gun. But I didn't let it, put the impact part on to just stud them up. So first you gotta take this trim out here, which are 4 screws. Pretty much probably be the same location as all the other vent caps. And then you gotta take the screws out in here. There's 2 of them. Then you gotta take the handle out. And after that, then you gotta take the gear mechanism out. There's 2 to hold it on there. And got one of them kind of in the way, but goes up nice and smooth. No more crack. Like I said, I'm not sure how old it was. It does look like the roof was replaced at one time, so I'm not sure how old it is. It's like I said, just make sure you order the right one. I thought I ordered the right one the first time, and I didn't. I ordered, I believe it's like a pin type, so I still gotta send that back to Amazon. There's 4 different ones out there. Someone said 5, but no, I believe it's only 4 different ones out there. There's 2 kind that take like a pin mechanism. One actually you have to put a pin in there, and one you just slide it and then you fold these tabs over, and then the other 2 I believe are the hinge is already there, and you just kind of slide it in the groove of the vent cap. And they're like $25, $26 around there. It's a lot better than water coming in here and messing your ceiling up or whatever. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said, it's pretty easy. I thought it was more easier than that. I thought just crank all the way open and take it off. No, I didn't realize you gotta take this all off. I did replace